Hello everyone, how to do it's back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to log in your Facebook Lite app. So you can see I brought this app in the home page, so simply click on your app. So once you click on your app, then you will see you can see this is the login page. So give your uh, you have to give your mm, information here, your your username, your mobile number or email, and then your password. And then after giving your information, simply click on login, and once you click login, then it takes few moments to install in your login. So then okay, allow a contact access. So it means if you continue, then your all the contact is existing in your device, they will notify. So I'm just going to click skip this time. And they say that you want to, like, if your profile is incomplete, then they will show you something like that. So I'm just going to skip and then continue in English. You can also continue in your language. And if you want to turn on your location for this app, I'm just going to skip again. And after all, you can see this is the page. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's number, and thank you for watching.